Are you gonna intro us?
How you doing? How you doing, small cap rocket recap listeners?
I don't. It's the Pit Vipers. They're missing.
I know. Yeah, I'm off my game today. Although I had the Pit Vipers on last Friday. Yeah, unmute, zoop.
Mute 'em.
Guys, today was tough.
Today was a tough one.
I think this might be our first ever small cap recap where we both end red.
We had a really good run. Like
We did. We had a great
said,
run.
I got a little nervous. Like episode 6 or so, and it was just like we were green every day, but we were trading pretty good. And I was like, just wait. Like, full of transparency, there will be a red day, and today was actually the first one we were both red.
Yeah, it happens, guys. It's part of the game.
Yep.
Now that's 2 red days in a row for me personally. Now, yeah, I know.
Hang them up.
I know. I'm done, guys. Hang up the cleats. Hang up my new shoes that Matt never even mentioned. He didn't even compliment me. Hanging up my new shoes. I'm done.
Look at those pearly whites.
Oh yeah, I know. Kind of like my teeth.
I'm wearing new shoes too.
Are you?
It's a compliment.
Let me see. You didn't compliment me. Look at those. Look at those guys. They zip up too, man.
I think it's the shoes' fault.
Yeah, new shoes. We just weren't really accustomed to the market. No,
I didn't break them in yet, so I was off in my game. Like, it wasn't comfortable,
I think today we ended just shy over 5,000 in the red combined here.
Yep. That is true. That is fact.
Matt carried the red day for us.
I put it on my back for the team. I was down about 4,000 of that, and Bryce was down 1,200. Yep. So a little over 5,000 in the red for us. But it happens, and no, we're not out of the game yet.
No, not yet. What are you up on the month? You're up about 100K?
After today, it's about 75.
Oh, 75. Okay. Together, we are up over $200,000 this month still, and debatably one of the most challenging markets we've been in since February.
Well, February was fun, challenging. This is frustrating.
Nah, dude, everything went up in February. That was like the peak of ALPP.
That's why it was fun.
Yeah, but no. It wasn't that challenging. Like,
wasn't that challenging?
No, it was. I'm saying after February, March, April, May, June. I'd say July has probably been like one of the most challenging months we've had so far since that really hot run ended. March was tough just because it was hard to adapt from everything moving. You know what I mean? Yeah. This market has been very difficult in July. And I think we've been doing a really good job during it.
It has. And it's slowing down. We've said this for a while.
Today was like...
Historically, August is pretty slow. So we'll see what happens. I mean, we're going to be here every single day grinding it out. But, just be prepared for it. And, let's get into the charts here. We're going to highlight Bryce Tui's incredible call of the day and how we messed it up.
Yep.
This is
42 seconds after the market open.
So this is Central Time. So you're looking at 42 seconds after the market open. BTBT taking small BTBT, risking 495.
No, that was my entry, 495.
Oh yeah, as a potential all-day hold, risking mid-4s. Now, if you looked at the market, BTBT was the best runner of the day. Did it even get to 495, Bryce?
Yeah. That was my entry. 495 was my entry. Risking mid-4s.
Oh.
Never got down below my original entry.
Never.
Nope.
I even came in midday too after I quote unquote rage quit. I was like, wow, this is looking really good.
Yeah.
And then
and I felt like we had missed the buy at that point. We clearly didn't.
We clearly traded this so well.
Yeah, we made some mistakes. Mistakes were made.
BTBT was awesome. This one's related to Bitcoin. If you haven't looked at Bitcoin, it's now over 40,000.
Yeah, I saw that new high today.
Zoom in. Can you say the squeeze is not yet fully squoze?
I'd say the squeeze is not fully squozen.
I don't know. It's being squozen.
It's being squozen. Guys, don't, and like everyone, I hate Twitter. You go on Twitter and everyone's like, either the Bitcoin bears, the Bitcoin bulls. How about this? Just the Bitcoin reactors. Like, I just like, I'm like, I love joining the side of whoever it is just to trigger other people. Cause like people get so hurt by it. They're like, oh, Bitcoin's too high. But we know it's not. Bitcoin's not high enough. Yes, it is. It's never going back above 40,000. Like,
now
just chill. Just chill. Play the volatility.
For those of you who are members of Crypto Rockets, like the last month has been tough for Bitcoin because it was in this really annoying choppy range right around 30,000. And then we had the B-word event, which broke it slightly below 30,000 and then rocketed back up because of Elon. And then last night, Amazon came out. They're going to be rumored to be accepting Bitcoin by the end of the year. So we had this fake breakdown. If you know any trading fundamentals, fake breakdown, caught a bunch of shorts. I saw this morning, it was like 110 million of shorts have been liquidated.
$110 million.
Dollars worth. And now we're over 40,000 again. So, the crypto market,
got hot.
It got hot, and I think it's going to keep be getting hot because
Keep be getting hot. It's going to keep be getting hot, guys.
Get
hot.
So yeah, so
slot.
BTBT was our Bitcoin play of the day. It was honestly
messed up.
Out of all the Bitcoin stocks, this one was definitely the best runner.
I know.
But
Yeah, by far.
great trade, and a good example of just seeing overall market conditions. Like if you didn't know the history of BTBT or anything like that,
It's so beaten down.
Awesome low floater though.
Yep, for sure.
If Bitcoin continues, that one's going to continue. All right, the winning trades of the day. Let's go over ORMP.
Yep. ORMP. So I took 6,000 shares at 528. Right as that broke out.
Textbook high day breakout.
Textbook. And it had the fake breakdown too right before it. Right before that all happened, right down there. Really nice. Daily breakout, multi-week breakout here. Wrote it into basically the low 16s. I think my best sell was like 16.20.
Nice.
And I was a little bit mad at myself. I didn't even let it give the chance to go parabolic. But it's okay. It was still a good trade. I did end up losing on it midday. I'm probably break even on the ticker right there. Yep. I was long 10,000 shares from 1598 average. I just was building into that.
Yep.
Walk up there. It actually broke out of that area just for a second.
Yep.
And a fake breakout. And that was, I had to sell for a loss into the 1570s. 80s, 1570s and 80s. Yeah, right below. Yeah, that little breakdown there. Part of the game. Yeah, I like the chart. Like if you want to pull up the daily chart real quick.
Yeah, this daily's nice. 52 week breakout. Yeah.
Really nice. So I was expecting that to be one that had the potential to go midday. Just didn't. But it's all good. Not worried about it. Like I said, I kept the red pretty small again. And that to me is what matters. Good. It was a decent attempt.
No, yeah. So good trade, well done.
I would not have used. I shouldn't. But one thing I will say is there's always a critique to be made.
Yep.
I had too much size midday.
There you go.
Yep. That was my critique.
Live, learn.
I'll take that attempt every time, but smaller size.
Sweet.
Yep.
Well done.
Oh, this one sucks. I hate.
No,
this stock.
I brought this one up.
I know. No. I agree. I think
PTSD, and I think this was like a huge red flag of like today is just not the day.
After this trade is when you said I'm done. I'm done.
I tried to trade BTBT after this, but this was a breaking news play last Friday. Huge runner, gapped up after hours, and this just should have been a huge red flag to stay away from this stock.
Well, the
first one, right? I was looking for a dip and rip on it off this $3 level. Perfectly held $3, scooped some shares up, ran up. That's like a 15% spike here. You can see it on this wick. Immediately slammed back down. Took a loss there because I was like, oh, that's like a fake spike. And then only for a minute or two later to then rip, 25%, 75 cents a share. Only for then again to slam back down. And it just absolutely got crushed. End of the day's at lows, is still fading. Like, what a garbage stock. What a garbage ticker. And I brought it up because I think it symbolizes the action for today.
And
garbage.
This is, for those of you in small cap rockets, people ask me all the time, like, why don't I play day two moves often? Now, to be fair, this is also partially because of the market. Day twos are generally just choppier. But shit like this happens, and I'm like, are you kidding me? It's so stupid. Because
just
it's like
garbage, yeah.
You got longs chasing now at this point, right? And shorts are now able to short higher. But you also have longs that are in it from the day before and shorts that are in it from the day before. So it's like you really just have this really stupid battle. The moves aren't as clean, in my opinion. NAOV, obviously an example of the market sentiment right now.
Yep.
And it's a day two. That's right there is the epitome of a day two runner. I hate it. But the dip and rip should have worked. Normally they'll get a nice, easy pop out of the open still.
Yeah.
It's just like the all-day trend isn't as easy.
It's a nail and bail summer.
Yeah. Or just bail. I'm kidding.
They do say sell in May and go
away. Yeah.
You haven't seen Jack Kellogg in a while. Is he alive?
I think he actually had a good trade on Moderna today.
Did he?
I think so. I believe he had talked to me about that, like real quick. Nope, mRNA.
Pardon the brains.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Yeah. Nice.
That was tough though. I was looking at it. Kirk was talking about it. It was a breakout technically.
It was a breakout. Yeah. This is a weird one.
That's a hard one.
It wasn't as easy as the other one because look at that volume. You can tell by the daily volume.
Yeah. But look at that trend. I mean, clear downtrend.
Yep. I think he nailed that one. But other than that, Jack, I mean, that's a lot of people.
Go away.
The volatility's low, volume's low. Take it easy. Nail your trades, bail, get out, enjoy your life.
Unless Delta.
Okay, true. Well, that could
Delta
actually
could spark the market.
Yeah, that you might have everyone getting right back
Something
inside.
we're watching very closely over here.
Yes.
So we'll see what happens.
Do we need to mask up for this?
No.
Wow. Matt is not a COVID conscious person. You heard it here first on Small Cap Recap.
Hashtag canceled.
Dude, yeah.
Cue the music. We're out of here.
We're out of here. Have a good Monday.
Thank you, everybody. See you next time.